Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through the fastest growing community in Jamaica. This is Drax Hall. Now coming up on the right is the Booth gas station, and this is actually the largest supermarket in Drax Hall over here. Now the plaza is being extended, so that section that you see on the left that has the orange paint, there you go. That is a new section that's under construction. Now the top floor is going to be for a call center, IBEX. They actually operate that green section now at the top. That's their section, and they've expanded the plaza basically. So the top floor is for the call center, and the bottom store will have stores. And this is the largest gas station in Drax Hall. So this is the Northern Coastal Highway that we're driving on, and this road is actually going to be extended to 4 lanes, and I think they should extend this section via Drax Hall to 6 lanes, but they've already started the process for the 4 lanes. They're working on the financing now, and hopefully they'll get the project started this year. If we turn left there, we'd go up to Steertown, and that's another gas station on the left. So nobody saw Drax Hall growing so fast. It has actually grown so fast that there are no banks in Drax Hall. There are no police stations. There are no post offices. There's no government office in Drax Hall. As we said, the gas station has the largest supermarket, and that's because Drax Hall was a part of St. Anne's Bay. St. Anne's Bay is probably 1 minute drive up the road. Ocherios is 2 minutes drive or 5 minutes drive in the other direction. So Drax Hall was always a suburb. Actually, Drax Hall was just empty land up to a few years ago. But the highway came. Highway 2000 ends in Marmy Bay. So you can now go from Kingston to Marmy Bay in 45 minutes. And the rest is history. You know what happens when you open up a highway. This area boomed. Now, Marmy Bay was more developed, so there wasn't a lot of empty land. But Drax Hall was empty. So over here now on the right, you have the KFC, the Starbucks, the Pizza Hut. And in the evening, or during rush hours, in the morning and in the evening, it can take you up to an hour to pass right where we are here. That's the amount of construction going down, amount of traffic. So on the right now, you're going to see about 5 commercial buildings under development. Because remember now, Drax Hall grew faster than the infrastructure could, the commercial infrastructure. So those buildings are under construction. On the left, you're going to see 2 massive plazas. This one on the left is for Total Tools, massive plaza. And then further down, there's another plaza on the left. So what happened is, remember now, Drax Hall was just empty land, the majority of it. And then housing development started because of how easy you could get here from the highway, from Kingston, and the Northern Coastal Highway, which is the road we're on, from Montego Bay. Now this is Drax Hall Manor, or Drax Hall, I think Drax Hall Estate. There's a massive development coming up on the right. I think it's Drax Hall Estate. And then to the left here now is one of the entrances to St. Anne's Bay. So housing development started in Drax Hall, sold out overnight. And I don't mean 20 or 30 homes. I mean like 1,000 homes in each development, all sold out. Now another reason why these houses do so well is because they built them like Richmond Estate. Richmond Estate is the nicest development you're going to find in Jamaica. So they built the Drax Hall developments to mirror Richmond Estate. And they sold like crazy. One development that had 1,000 homes in it had a waiting list to see if anybody would drop out. And it's mostly foreigners that are buying these homes. People in the US, UK, Canada are buying these homes as investment. Some come back, some rent them as Airbnb. Okay, this is the main entrance to St. Anne's Bay now. And Drax Hall has boomed. And guess what? There are thousands of homes under construction now in Drax Hall. So you have the thousands that were built and sold out overnight, making the place a huge success. So every developer, every major developer started to build in Drax Hall. As you built them, they were sold. And the area just grew so much that the road was built to accommodate 10 to 15,000 cars a day. It's now doing 50,000 cars a day, and I have to expand it. It's becoming a problem because remember we showed you all those commercial buildings that are under construction. Can you imagine when they are finished? And these are some massive plazas. They might not be more than 2-3 floors, but they go way back. We're going to do another video just showing you the construction of those plazas. Actually, you can check out Driving in Jamaica. That's our other channel. We have lots of videos up on the construction of these plazas. So Drax Hall is definitely a success story for Jamaica, and it shows what the full potential, the economic benefits that these highways bring. Because without the highways, I don't know if it would do so well. But definitely this Drax Hall model should be studied and duplicated across Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And the banks are coming. Every fast food chain wants a location in Drax Hall now. Everyone. I wouldn't be surprised if those buildings that are the commercial buildings under construction, if they're all rented out. And we'll check on it, or if anybody knows what's going on, will let us know. Alright guys, have a good day.